हबीबा और ज़ियाद के साथ सुनो हर बात नहीं, दिल की बातें दुनिया भर की रहे वही। Speak Mix is the vibe you need with Habiba and Zad. Let your thoughts be free. यहाँ हर बात का है मजा, बातों में मिले जिंदगी का सिलसिला। Tune in now, don't miss the fix. It's time to speak it, Speak Mix. Speak Mix with Habiba and Zad.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, हेलो, हाय, ओला, सत श्री अकाल, नमस्ते, and welcome to the
sixth episode of Speak.
No, it's the part 2.
Yeah, part 2.
It's not the episode 6. You have to do it again. So welcome to the
second part of favorite movies, TV shows, and dramas.
No.
And also the sixth episode of Speak.
No, it's not the 6th episode. It's the 5th
Okay.
episode, part 2.
I know, but it's also the sixth, isn't it?
No,
Actually.
it's a series, so we have divided in part 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we have to do it again. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Okay, we have to do it again. Okay. hello, हो गया, सब हो गया. Welcome to the episode, 5th episode, part 2 of Speak Mix.
Also, Mom, I have a question. Why are you in a Batman mask? No, you're not. No, you're not.
Hey Ziad, I'm sorry, but I think I'm still in that part 1, you know. We were talking about that Batman movie, right? So
Yeah,
I think
and
I'm
then
still
Sonic the Hedgehog.
I'm still stuck in that episode because that episode was very interesting. Even I was impressed the way you were telling about the movies.
Yeah.
And you knew a lot about the Batman and everybody.
Sonic, yeah, all the things I talked about.
Yeah, so that was very interesting. So that's why I think I was still in part 1. But here we are, as we promised. We are here, guys. Well, before we move on, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी आप लोगों को हमारा जिंगल और हमारा इंट्रो कैसा लगा एपिसोड 5th में, जो कि हमने इंट्रो में दिया हबीबा और ज़ियाद के साथ
Okay,
okay.
a bit too over.
Okay, I'm just gonna
Not
stop,
very
but we gonna do for you. हम लोग इस एपिसोड के एंड में थोड़ा सा हम लोग आपको करके दिखाएंगे. बड़ा मज़ा आया और सॉरी बट ये मुझे एक्चुअली पहले एपिसोड में बोलना चाहिए था, बट अ बिग थैंक यू, अ बिग शाउट आउट टू मुस्तफ़ीज़ राजा. ये मुस्तफ़ीज़ राजा के लिए जिन्होंने हमारे लिए प्लीज़ जिन्होंने हमारे लिए जिंगल जिन्होंने हमारे लिए ये जिंगल इतना कैची और इतना ही अच्छा मज़े का जिंगल
12 out of 10.
जिन्होंने हमारे लिए इतना अच्छा कैची जिंगल तैयार किया और डेफिनेटली वो हमारे यूज़ में आएगा और वी गोना यूज़ इट. हमारी हर एपिसोड में आप हम लोग के वो थोड़े बहुत मूव्स देखेंगे और उस म्यूज़िक से आप लुत्फ़अंदोज़ होंगे. ऑलरेडी हम लोग तो बहुत इन्जॉय किया. डिड यू इन्जॉय वॉचिंग इट एंड हाउ अबाउट शूटिंग इट?
I enjoyed
Because मैंने देखा था आप कोने में खड़े होके ऐसे ऐसे कर रहे थे.
I enjoyed watching it and I enjoyed shooting it. So after we shot it, when I edited it, I was like mesmerized by watching it because I was the one who edited it, of course.
अच्छा.
Acha.
मैं कहाँ थी?
Acha.
नहीं, वैसे वाकई में हम लोगों ने इसको शूट करने में how long it took like
About
I think not even like 15 minutes. We just got
it
it
was
done
like
quick.
less than 10 minutes.
No, 15 minutes तो हमें लगे थे क्योंकि ज़ियाद ने अपना शूट किया उसके बाद ज़ियाद ने एडिट किया एंड देन जो एंड प्रोडक्ट था वो आपके सामने है और उसके लिए हम लोगों के लिए थोड़ा बहुत तो यार तालियां तो बनती हैं क्योंकि आप लोग तो कुछ नहीं करने वाले. आप लोग को तो तालियां बजाने के लिए भी हमें कुछ इनाम देना पड़ेगा, फिर आप तालियां बजाएंगे. लेकिन ज़ियाद यू डिड अ ग्रेट जॉब एंड एंड प्रोडक्ट आई लव्ड इट द वे यू एडिटेड एंड जैसे आपने किया उसको. और तो डिड यू एंजॉय लाइक डूइंग इट? आपको मज़ा आ रहा था कि आप ऐसे ऐसे हिले जा रहे हैं, मूव कर रहे हैं आप?
Basically, yeah.
मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आया. मैं तो थोड़ा और डांस करती लेकिन फिर मैंने कहा चलें थोड़ा कम ही कर लेते हैं क्योंकि आगे के एपिसोड में अभी हम और डांसेस करने वाले हैं. मजाक कर रही हूँ कि ये डांस प्रोग्राम थोड़ी है, ये तो पॉडकास्ट है। तो हम लोग ऑब्वियसली हम मजाक करें, लेकिन हमने जस्ट टू बी ऑन द से बट ऐसे ही हमने फन के लिए इसको किया। और जिंगल इज़ वेरी नाइस, और आई एम श्योर आप लोग को भी पसंद आएगी। और प्लीज़ इंजॉय कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा, लाइक कीजिएगा, सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, और पिंग पिंग पिंग
Notification bell button.
बजाना मत भूलिएगा। क्या आप खाना खाना भूलते हैं? क्या आप दवाई लेना भूलते हैं?
नहीं,
क्या आप सोना भूलते हैं?
नहीं,
क्या आप KFC जाना भूलते हैं?
नहीं.
तो फिर हमारा प्रोग्राम लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना क्यों भूल जाते हैं भाई? क्यों क्यों क्यों? हमेशा आप हमारे प्रोग्राम की दफा में पॉपकॉर्न लेके बैठिए और उसको एंजॉय कीजिए, खाइए, और जनाब हमारा पॉडकास्ट एंजॉय कीजिए, क्योंकि हम लोग इन फ्यूचर बहुत सारे स्किट्स लेके आने वाले हैं। और इस पॉडकास्ट को एज ऑलवेज हम लोग वी ऑलवेज वांट पॉडकास्ट को ऑलवेज हम लोग यूनिक बनाना चाहते हैं, और हम चाहते हैं कि देखने वाले देखें यार ये देखो ये कुछ अलग ही लग रहा है। तो इसीलिए, और तो वेदर कैसे है यार? हाउ वाज द वेदर टुडे?
The weather was good. Like, it was a bit cold, but like,
But it was to me it was like windy and very nice. You can actually नहीं brrr type तो नहीं था। I mean आप enjoy कर सकते हैं। At least this I mean हमारे यहाँ का weather is
at
really
least
really
it
good.
wasn't worse like 2 weeks ago or so.
Yeah, 2 weeks back though it was really bad, like ice all over.
It's
But
cold out
it's
there.
really nice. I mean you can actually go out for a walk or something if you want. But we actually spend this week हम लोगों ने घर में ही spend किया, क्योंकि बाहर जाने का हम लोग इतना नहीं लगा था। You may catch something while यहाँ पे still it's going on. So it's better to stay home and rest and drink plenty of fluids and eat healthy food. Right, Ziad?
Yeah, जी हाँ.
जी हाँ, ओके, ज़ियाद भी सीख गए हैं। जी हाँ, जी हाँ। तो हम लोग कंटिन्यू करते हैं अपने प्रोग्राम को। बिफोर वी कंटिन्यू, ज़ियाद आप कुछ और बताना चाहेंगे लोगों को, और कुछ आप बताना चाहेंगे? यू वांट टॉक अबाउट समथिंग, और कुछ यू हैव समथिंग इन योर माइंड टू से, ताकि
So I would also like to continue about like the films, because for the previous part we had to leave it off after I was done talking about the Sonic films.
ओके, उसके बारे में तो हम लोग बात करने जा रहे हैं। बट बिफोर वी स्टार्ट दैट आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू, ज़ियाद, यू हैव बीन टू US के theaters and you have been to Pakistan theater as well. So what do you think there is a difference between the theater here in the US and the theater in Pakistan? You have been to Newplex?
Newplex.
Newplex cinema where you have been to there.
Oh, yeah, the
You watched which
Pakistan
movie?
one.
Which movie you watched?
Despicable Me 4.
Yes. So
It was
how was
good.
the experience in Pakistani theater? Just be
Experience?
honest, you know, just be honest.
I'm being honest here. Well, I mean, it's alright, like.
Yeah, masila.
So, US theaters I'm more used to, because, like, for US theaters. Hey, Mom, stop doing that.
Okay.
Okay, so,
यूएस में और पाकिस्तान की थिएटर में आपको क्या लगा?
I
यूएस की आप ही बोलेंगे, मैं नहीं बोल रही। यूएस के बारे में आप मुझे बताएं कि यूएस के पाकिस्तानी थिएटर में आपको क्या अच्छा लगा, और पाकिस्तानी थिएटर में व्हाट डू यू थिंक लैक्स, और जिस पे इम्प्रूवमेंट हो सकती है और काम कर सकते हैं। प्लीज ज़ियाद, ओवर टू यू।
well, also, like, okay, so, like.
ज़ियाद, 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 ज़ियाद।
Okay, well, I like the theater I like about is that, like, the films they play are good.
इज पाकिस्तानी और यूएस थिएटर यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट?
So, like, for Pakistani theater,
पाकिस्तानी थिएटर के बारे में ही मैं
it
जानना
was
चाह रही हूँ।
okay, but the US theaters I'm more used to, because, like, so, like, it's got to be, like, the inside of the theater, right? You go inside to watch the
Which
theater.
theater you are talking about? Talk about Pakistani theater.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
But, so, like, the Pakistani.
What was the first impression after you saw the movie in the Pakistani theater, Newplex?
It was good.
And this is the one near Millennium Mall, guys. We didn't went to the Clifton one because it was far. So I just took them to the nearest one, which was the Millennium Mall, Gulistan-e-Johar. And there he went. And from here, he's going to take over and let you know his experience. And then I will share my experience.
So, also, for the Pakistani theater, like, when we got the popcorn, I felt like it was, like, tasteless. Like, it was just regular popcorn.
You meant it
No.
was stale.
Basically, yeah, no butter. There was, like, no butter or anything.
Okay.
Yeah. And then also, like, I feel like the seats should have improved. They were, like, foldable seats, and they weren't really
Reclining. They
comfortable.
didn't have any reclining. Yeah.
They weren't really comfortable.
That's the, yeah.
But
that
the US theater, they have good popcorn, good food,
Yeah.
a lot of variety.
Variety, if we talk about Pakistani theater has, but we actually it has like 2 floors. Millennium जिन्होंने गए होंगे उनको पता होगा। तो वहाँ पे नीचे they were not very busy. We got the popcorn from there, which were actually stale. The price was pretty high. I mean, it was expensive. But as compared to पहले के साल जब हम लोग लेते थे, हम लोग वैसे इतना थिएटर जाते भी नहीं थे. लेकिन अभी जब मैं गई तो I was like shocked के प्राइस इतना ज़्यादा sky rocket है.
It wasn't
और
like that before?
No, it was not. And then popcorn were stale, and then बिल्कुल बेकार. They were tasteless, no doubt. जब हम ऊपर गए तो ऊपर थोड़ा सा busy था, तो then we were like, oh हमने यहाँ से क्यों नहीं लिया, हमने नीचे से क्यों ले लिया. Then anyhow I think same ही होता, इतना difference नहीं होता. Then we went to the theater. थिएटर में हम लोग बैठे. ज़्यादा आपने अपनी टर्न तो लूज कर दी, ठीक है, क्योंकि आपने बोला ही नहीं. फिर हम लोग अंदर गए, हम लोग बैठ गए अंदर, एंड ही इज राइट, they have no reclining seat, which is one of the drawbacks. US theater की तो
they have very comfortable seats, and then you can recline and just relax and watch your film.
I know यार, लेकिन अभी हम पाकिस्तानी थिएटर पे बात कर लें, ताकि अगर पाकिस्तानी थिएटर वाले लोग देख रहे हैं, न्यूप्लेक्स वाले, तो प्लीज़ आप लोग सीटिंग पे काम कीजिए. आपकी सीटें वेरी अनकंफर्टेबल थी, और वहाँ पे डेफिनेटली सिक्योरिटी वॉच तो हो रहा था, लेकिन सिक्योरिटी वॉच इस तरह से हो रहा था कि एक्सीडेंटली मैंने अपनी टांगे सामने वाली सीट पे रख ली. देयर वाज नोबडी ऑन द फ्रंट सीट, तो आई वाज लाइक really I had like cramps in my legs and I was very tired, so I just put my legs on the seat on top of it, and एकदम से एक बंदा आ जाता है, and then he's trying to tell me, ma'am, you cannot do this. I'm like, what? He's like, ma'am, you cannot put your legs on the other seat. Okay, I understand. So that's why you should put reclining seats, क्योंकि और ओल्ड एज या दूसरे लोग भी आ रहे हैं, पेशेंट्स भी आ रहे हैं, तो इस तरह से लटका के बैठने से आप क्या करवा रहे हैं,
Real.
Yeah. Or the other thing was like the theater was dirty, seats were dirty. Literally I could feel कि मुझे mosquitoes वगैरह और flies छोटी छोटी जो होती हैं वो मेरे पैरों पे bite कर रही थी, और मुझे खुजली हो रही थी. There was definitely itching down there. So you guys should clean the theater. जो आपकी जॉब है वो कीजिए, rather than just coming and poking other के टांगे पीछे कर लीजिए, टांगे ऊपर कर लीजिए, टांगे साइड में फैला के बैठ जाइए.
That's why.
We are there to relax, chill and enjoy the popcorn and enjoy the movie. We are paying for it, तो why can't you just work on it? और आपने ऐसा क्यों किया हुआ है कि आपने मिलेनियम मॉल के थिएटर को नीचे रखा हुआ है, उसका लेवल नीचे है, और वहाँ पे दूसरी चीज़ें भी बहुत हो रही थी जो कि मैं आई डिड नॉट अप्रिशिएट, क्योंकि आई हैड किड्स विद मी, एंड डेफिनेटली आई कुड सी वहाँ पे क्या चल रहा था. वहाँ पे ओपनली डेटिंग चल रही थी और सब कुछ हो रहा था, और माहौल मुझे इतना ठीक नहीं लगा, एंड आई डेफिनेटली रिग्रेट कि मैं इनको क्यों नहीं क्लिफ्टन या DHA वाले में ले गई. और DHA वाले मैंने ज़्यादा तारीफ सुनी है, बट डेफिनेटली समथिंग टू ट्राई नेक्स्ट टाइम वी आर इन पाकिस्तान टू सी वो वाला न्यूप्लेक्स कैसा है. लेकिन मैंने उसकी तारीफ़ें सुनी है कि वो अच्छा है. बट अदर देन दैट, ओके, नाउ यू कैन टेल अबाउट US की US में क्या आपको पसंद है.
What I like about the US is that you have very many options of how to watch your films, like XD, regular, 3D, like
वो तो
IMAX.
यहाँ पे भी है, पाकिस्तान में भी you have the options.
Oh,
Yes,
I didn't know
पाकिस्तान में
that.
they have it. But I've never tried it. I don't even want to try it, I think I'm okay with the simple, standard movie. That's fine. But yeah, हमने यहाँ पे US में XD का experience was great. D-Box we have never experienced. My brother
is
actually,
D-Box?
D-Box it's like, the seat moves with the, whatever
Oh,
actions.
bet. I should try that.
D-Box, my brother actually, he always recommends me you should try D-Box. He watches a lot of movies on D-Box. And we usually go to Cinemark. We like Cinemark.
Cinemark is like
Cinemark is the best.
Best popcorn.
Cinemark is
and,
the best. Best popcorn,
seats.
definitely. Best seats.
Best experience.
You can chill, relax, kids friendly. That's the biggest thing.
It
Kids
also
friendly
has
होना
a
चाहिए.
little arcade too.
Can you please stop this? You're
Okay.
moving the curtain. Yeah.
So also like they have a mini arcade, which we don't really go to that much, but yeah,
Yeah.
that's cool. At least something on the side.
Yeah, they have it. I think the Pakistani theater, I don't know if they have it, but definitely, they can definitely improve a lot of things in Pakistani theater.
Yeah,
अगर आप लोग देख रहे हैं तो please work on it, and definitely बहुत सारे tourist भी आते हैं, तो पाकिस्तान का impression अच्छा दीजिए, तो that will be good for you, for us being Pakistani living in the States. कहीं भी हो आप represent कर रहे हो पाकिस्तान को. We don't want to hear bad thing about Pakistan. Obviously we gonna feel bad. Oh, आपका theater तो ऐसा था, उसमें ऐसा था, उसमें ऐसा था. We really don't want to do it. So please work on it. Nuplex, I hope you are listening. I hope you will do it जो मैंने आपको बताया है, और अगर नहीं करेंगे तो फिर कोई बात नहीं, हम कौन सा आ रहे हैं, हम यहीं पे देख लेंगे मूवी. इट्स ओके. ओके, सो थिएटर की बात हो गई, एक्सपीरियंस हो गया, और
Let's go to the movie.
लेट्स गो टू मूवी. सो अब जो नेक्स्ट मूवी हम बात करने जा रहे हैं, ज़ियाद, हमें पूरा ये सब तैयार किया हुआ है, तो इट्स ओके. इसमें क्या हो गया, कोई ऐसी बात थोड़ी है.
I thought it was top secret.
नहीं, टॉप सीक्रेट कोई नहीं है.
next
ऑब्वियसली
one we will talk
नेक्स्ट मूवी कौन सी बारे में बात कर
The
रहे हैं ज़ियाद?
Super Mario Bros. movie. The
Okay.
best film of 2023 by far, better than the Barbie film.
बारबी फिल्म तो हमने ना देखी और ना हमें पता है. I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world.
Okay, stop.
Okay.
Okay, what I was saying was that. So
What were you saying? Get out?
no,
What
it's
were
just
you
like
saying?
no, it's just a saying or something. Like whoever's like, okay,
एक मिनट यार सबर कर लें आप.
जी.
मुझे पता है आपको बहुत पसंद है मूवीज के बारे में, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट टॉपिक नेक्स्ट शो में आप लोग जरूर आइएगा, क्योंकि आई बी टॉकिंग अ लॉट अबाउट ड्रामास, फेवरेट ड्रामास, रिकमेंडेड ड्रामास बाय हबीबा. ठीक है, और मेरे रिकमेंडेड ड्रामास आई एम टेलिंग यू कि बहुत अच्छे होंगे, बोरिंग बिल्कुल भी नहीं होंगे.
जी हाँ.
तो सुपर मारियो मूवीज के बारे में बताइए ज़ियाद के हाउ मेनी पार्ट्स अभी तक आ चुके हैं,
There's
और
there's not really. Well,
पार्ट 2 तो आने वाला है आई थिंक.
there could be, yeah, because whoever saw the film, if they saw like the ending, they saw Yoshi's egg. It just cracked open.
Okay.
Yoshi. So, like, there's like one film. For anybody that's confused, I'm talking about the 2023 one, the animated one, not the live action one back in 1993. The live action one sucks. So, I'm talking about the animated one. So, back in 2023, I remember it was such a good film. It like crossed $1 billion at the box office. It was such a good film, video game film adaptation, like Sonic.
Yeah, everybody likes Mario.
Yeah, Mario's like so.
We have
nostalgic.
played like on Sega Genesis. I played Nintendo this Mario.
But I
it's-
thought Mario was on the NES. Not
I
on Genesis.
don't know, but you know, during our childhood we have played Mario, and it was exactly the same. Now we are playing on Nintendo Switch, and it's very nice. वही same game है. So whoever likes Mario, हर किसी को Mario पसंद है, Mario and
Yeah,
Luigi,
I would recommend
which is
I will recommend the film for anybody that likes video game film adaptations.
everybody likes Mario.
Or for anybody that likes Mario.
You like Mario more or Luigi? I like Luigi more.
I feel like both.
To me, Luigi looks more innocent.
To be honest, like both, because they're like the dynamic duo. Mario
I know, but
and Luigi.
they have more focused on Mario in the
We're
movie.
Mario brothers. and
Mario had to
we're
save his
big.
brother.
We're not like the others who get all the fame. When your sink is in trouble, you can call us up.
Yo.
We're faster.
Yo.
We're faster than
Yo.
you. You can hook on the
Yo.
others.
Yo. That was a really nice rap song.
It's an actual song.
But I was
It's in the
just.
Sonic film.
I know,
it's
I
in the
know.
Mario film, sorry.
But I did my parts, yeah. At least
Yeah.
appreciate, you know. I'm
So
not
also-
sitting like this. Okay, so yeah, go ahead and talk. So
Okay.
yeah, I'm just trying to make it more fun, right?
Yeah, but
Chill, Ziad.
okay.
Chill, Ziad. Chill, Ziad. Acha ji.
Okay,
So Ziad, who is your favorite character in the movie? You already talked about it. So would
Bowser.
you? Okay, who? Okay.
Yeah, basically Bowser, he's like the villain. So he's the king of the Koopas.
You like the villain?
What do you mean? Just because just because I like a villain doesn't mean I'm a villain. Okay, anywho, what I'm saying is that it's because Bowser, because like Jack Black. For anybody that knows Jack Black, he's the one that voices Kung Fu Panda. That voices Poe in Kung Fu Panda, and Jack Black, he does an amazing job with voicing Bowser. I feel like he's a good role to do it. Yeah, I like Mario and Luigi too, but I wish they had a different actor like Charles Martinet, the one who voices Mario in the games, not Chris Pratt. But like, it was a good film anyways. Like, I didn't care about that. All I cared about was just watching the film.
It was
good.
interesting. Not
It was
even
very
single
good.
part was boring, and you know, just we all were so engaged, and that's the best part of the movie. If you're not just getting bored or
Also-
you're like yawning
also
and you
the
want to
sound-
leave the theater. Can I
Also,
give my
like-
opinion? You know, not you know, you just don't want to leave the theater, and you know, it's so engaging. So I think Sonic and this Mario movie, both of them were one of them, which I actually liked watching it. I really enjoyed it. You know. And when we come to the music was also nice, you know.
Yeah, it had
it was like
80
limited.
soundtracks.
Yeah, it was like limited, not like too much music, which I actually appreciate, which I actually like it.
Not like Moana too.
Yeah, we'll come to Moana 2 as well, you know. I mean,
Yeah.
that was very disappointing, and you know, we
Yeah,
wasted
but
our
we'll,
tickets.
We'll come to that later.
Yeah.
Right now,
So what's the story of this movie, yeah, Mario?
basically the story, it's like two brothers that are like plumbers, Mario and Luigi, of course, right? So like, there's this thing that happens in their hometown, Brooklyn, New York,
Okay.
right?
Right.
So they go to the sewage pipes, right? And they find this abandoned sewage pipe area or something, and they get sucked into the pipe. and then they enter the Mushroom Kingdom. But
He entered them, yeah.
He entered the Darklands. where
Yeah, he
Bowser
entered,
was.
yeah.
So Mario has to save Luigi
Mm-hmm.
from the help of Princess Peach and Toad and all the Donkey Kongs, basically.
Right.
All his friends.
Yeah, and then was he able to save his brother?
Yes, he was.
I think that queen, right?
Princess Peach.
Yeah, princess, yeah.
Peaches.
Peaches, 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 peaches,
The best
peaches.
song ever for 2020.
It was really fun. So was he able to save him
Yeah, he was.
along with that princess, right?
Yeah, Princess Peach.
Okay. And so what message did you learn from the movie?
So basically, it's the importance.
Why you want to recommend more watching this movie?
It's the importance of like.
Why should people waste their money?
Hey. What I'm saying is that. The lesson you learn from the film is like the importance of basically like
Relationships,
basically
of course.
overcoming challenges through through courage and then resilience.
Right.
And basically they also say some lesson in the film like Luigi and Mario always told us to each other in the film, nothing can hurt us as long as we're together. That's what they always tell themselves in the film. Yeah, basically the music of the film, it has like 80 songs, late 70s songs like Thunderstruck by AC/DC, No Sleep Till Brooklyn by Beastie Boys, or Take On Me by Aha. Very nostalgic songs, like it brings me back to those
Aha,
days.
can you sing that little bit so that people know what song you're talking?
Take on me,
Take on me,
take me on,
put me on.
Mom, take on me, I'll be gone
I'll be gone.
in a day or two.
नुसरत जी जाग गए ने अच्छा आ जा तेनू अखियां उड़ीकदियां सजना तेनू अखियां उड़ीकदियां उड़दा जमाल दा जबरदस्तियां आवाज दा
Why are you doing this?
That's the sur beta.
Is that the ocean waves going by?
But yeah, you did an amazing job. Even Nusrat Fateh ji, if he was alive, हमारे में
You mean
होते.
Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan?
जी जी बिल्कुल.
Oh,
तो
him.
डेफिनेटली वो आपको कॉल जरूर करते कि बेटा आप इतना अच्छा गाते हैं, आप मेरे साथ क्यों नहीं आके बैठ जाते? तो हो सकता है राहत फतेह की जगह
I
आप ही
think I know
होते.
what you mean. So what I was saying? Okay.
राहत
so-
फतेह की जगह आप भी हो सकते थे. या उनके नेफ्यू हैं वो.
I know.
जी और उनकी जगह लेकिन खैर क्या कर सकते हैं, राहत फतेह पहले आ गए और राहत फतेह जी वहाँ पे चले गए उनके साथ. तो आपने लेसन भी बता दिया कि ये लेसन सीखा है. ठीक है. तो एनीथिंग एल्स यू वाना. मुझे भी ओवरऑल मूवी अच्छी लगी. सो कम्स टू रेटिंग. हाउ वुड यू रेट मारियो ब्रदर्स ऑन अ स्केल ऑफ 1 to 10 babes?
10 out of 10.
Yeah, puri.
Puri?
Yeah.
For the Puri?
Okay, now let's move on to Moana.
Moana 2. Probably the worst film in 2024. I would not recommend this for any family to watch. I didn't learn any. Well, it never impacted me ever. And 2024 was the worst year anyways. So, and also Moana 2, I would basically give it a -1 out of 10. So first of all, Moana 1 is probably good. I would recommend that. But
Moana
Moana 2, just push that to the side, bro. Put
Moana
that in the trash.
2.
Get out.
Moana 2, I think आपको पकड़ लेंगे डिज्नी वाले आके. लेकिन Moana 2 वाकई में it was very musical to me. There was no storyline.
Like basically no
When-
storyline. It's
storyline
just them
कुछ
fighting-
भी नहीं थी.
It's just them fighting thunder.
Yeah, and that they were like very repetitive scenes थे, dialogues थे, same dialogues थे, and then definitely there was so much music. Looks like मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था I'm watching Frozen. बल्कि I think Frozen is a lot better than Moana 2.
Yeah.
Frozen movie,
Moana 2 was much more of a musical. There was like more
Yeah.
music than.
So if you're a musical person, आपको
Oh.
पसंद है तो you guys can go and check it out and definitely
was
हर
just
किसी को experience करना चाहिए. But
it
to
was
me,
basically like the Joker.
I would
film.
give
Like
to
with
me
Lady
I would give
Gaga.
Moana 2 out of 10.
You know what's even better? -1 out of 10.
Yeah, really, it was bad. They should have done a better job. और आप बनाते ही नहीं.
Expecting more. I was expecting it to be good, but I didn't get that outcome. Instead, I got like the opposite.
Moana 1 was amazing.
Moana 2.
Moana 1 का कौन सा song था? You welcome.
You're welcome, Dwayne Johnson.
आप कौन सा गा सकते? आप गाइए.
What can I
Let me do
say
it.
except
Let me do the art
you're
thingy.
Welcome.
How did you do it? Can you do it?
Dwayne Johnson
Okay,
is known for
sing that Moana song.
I don't know the lyrics though. I just know the part where it's like, "Hey, it's okay, you're welcome."
यार आप गा ही नहीं रहे, मैं तो अभी डांस शुरू हो रही थी.
You're just like when I didn't sing.
Okay. You're welcome. I think
thank you.
Safa knows it. Safa knows the whole
Safa
song.
definitely knows it. She's
Safa knows the whole song and she's a good singer. Anyhow, so part 1 was really good. Part 1 की story आप कुछ बताइए. Part 1 में क्या था? I mean,
Part 1, it's like Moana, like she has to find like the demigod like Maui or something, and then
Yeah.
they fight like Tafiti. I think that was the name of it. Like they have to like fight Tafiti, and they have like this heart thing or whatever. I'm trying to remember, but like last time I saw it was like 2 years ago or so. Like, so I'm trying to remember clearly. So basically, it's like they have to return the heart of Tafiti to Tafiti, of course, basically, with the help of Maui.
right. Yeah, it was good. मुझे भी अच्छी लगी थी.
It was good, but Moana 2 should have been better.
Moana 2
I thought it was gonna be like good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Moana 2, I would not recommend watching anybody. As compared to Moana 2, if you guys want to watch it, you guys should watch Avatar.
Avatar 2.
Ooh.
I never saw the first film, so.
I haven't seen the first one, but we saw the second one with
Then
my
what was the
brother.
first
Actually, my brother was here. Oh, I mean, sorry. But yeah, we watched that movie and it was really good.
Marvelous, like a 3-hour film, and it was very entertaining.
Yeah.
3 hours of entertainment. I only saw some parts of the first one, but
Yeah.
I saw the whole second film. I would also recommend Top Gun. I saw some clips of the dogfights from Top Gun 1, but Top Gun Maverick is actually a good one too.
Top
I'll
Gun, yeah.
recommend
Top Gun is
that
everybody's
I'll
favorite.
recommend that for any aviation guy or aviation expert like me. And anywho, yeah.
Yeah, if somebody's interested. But other than this, I mean, even for kids, I don't. I think what new movies are in the pipelines, I have no idea. But Sonic 4, Sonic 4,
Yeah. and It's
Sonic 4. Definitely, we're looking forward to watch it. If we watch it, we will
no,
definitely.
Sonic 3.
Sonic 3. If we watch it, definitely we'll let you know.
Sonic 4 could be
But
in the
if we
works,
talk
too.
about some old movies, थोड़ी old movies की तरफ आ जाएं, अगर कुछ देखना चाह रहे हैं तो Zootopia is really good.
Michael Jackson Moonwalker.
नहीं वो नहीं. Zootopia, kids movies we are talking about.
Zootopia is a good
Zootopia
one.
is really good. I mean, you know,
Like it was like
very interesting.
A
Even my
2016
dad,
episode.
even my dad, when he was here, you know, he was just watching it. Especially that scene is my favorite. That sloth scene.
oh yeah.
The driving license office.
Oh,
yeah,
yeah.
DPS at the DPS.
Uh,
And that's so true.
DMV.
Yeah, DPS, DMV is the
Basically,
same.
Flash dash.
It's the
100 yard
same
dash.
thing. That's how it goes in DMV. Actually,
Mom,
it's very
Do
slow.
you know the name of the sloth?
No.
Flash dash 100 yard. Oh, I'm
Right?
trying to figure out his name.
I don't know.
It was like Flash.
Yeah. So then Zootopia is good. And then if we talk about more और कौन सी movies है यार? We have watched a lot of movies.
I forgot most of them.
Big Hero 6.
SpongeBob.
SpongeBob, I don't know. I mean, kids like it, but I'm not a big fan of SpongeBob. But yeah,
Hey.
kids like it. Frozen, all the Frozen parts are good. Frozen is always Elsa, Anna. I mean, let it go.
Can't hold back anymore.
Lord, I'm crazy. क्या हुआ बेटा?
Basically, POV when I hear in the Frozen film. So.
ये होता है जब आप एक साथ 2 एपिसोड रिकॉर्ड करें और फिर आप एंड में ये रिजल्ट देख सकते हैं.
What do you mean?
Let it go, let it go. तेनू की पता मेरा हो.
What is that?
Sorry.
What is that version? Skull emoji.
आपको पता लग गया होगा कि हमें डांसिंग, सिंगिंग, होस्टिंग काफ़ी चीज़ों का हमें शौक है एंड वी जस्ट ट्राई टू मेक दिस पॉडकास्ट अ फन. जिनको लगता है कि हम लोग अच्छा कर रहे हैं, अगर आप लोग थोड़ा सा कमेंट कर दें, थोड़ा सा हमारी तारीफ़ कर दें, हमें इनकरेज कर दें, तो उसमें कोई बुराई नहीं है। और बजाय इसके कि आप इधर उधर आप जितने भी आजकल पॉडकास्ट देखें उसमें कुछ ना कुछ चल ही रहा है। हमने कुछ मसाले के लिए हमने कुछ नहीं किया है अभी, एंड इट्स वेरी हार्ड, लेट मी टेल यू, इट्स वेरी हार्ड टू स्टिक टू वन टॉपिक एंड टॉक बिल्कुल क्लियर कट, बिल्कुल आप अच्छे से सफाई से बात करें। कोई हम लोग कर्सिंग वर्ड नहीं यूज़ करते, कोई हम लोग रोस्टिंग नहीं कर रहे हैं, कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं। इट्स किड्स फ्रेंडली, एवरीबडी कैन वॉच इट, यू कैन वॉच इट विद फैमिली। और इट्स वेरी हार्ड नाउ अ डेज, यू नो, लेकिन वी आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू स्टिक टू द टॉपिक। एंड जो भी इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक्स हैं हम लोग लेके आ रहे हैं। हम डेफिनेटली करंट न्यूज़ के बारे में भी हम बात करेंगे, वो भी हमारे माइंड में है कि हम कुछ ऐसा बात करें, न्यूज़ के बारे में बात करें। और you know, just go from there. Definitely, we want to hear from you guys. Recommend us, you know, more topics, more उसके जैसे कि हमने बताया, if you want us to do any review, किसी के बारे में रिव्यू करना है, कुछ करना है, आप यूएस के बारे में भी कुछ पूछते ही नहीं, आप लोगों को इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है। लेकिन if you guys want to ask any question, you guys can always comment. एंड हम लोग बहुत जल्द अपनी ईमेल और आप हमारा फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम पेज बनाएंगे वंस वी गेट अ चांस, तो डेफिनेटली, और फिर हम उसका लिंक डाल देंगे। लेकिन फ़िलहाल हमारा उसका कोई लिंक नहीं है, हमारा स्ट्रिक्टली यूट्यूब का ही लिंक है, जो कि वी आर ट्राइंग टू कीप अप विद द चैनल एंड यू गाइस कैन एन्जॉय इट। ज़्यादा और आप क्या किस मूवी के बारे में रिकमेंड करना चाहेंगे?
I bet that's all the films I would recommend.
और भी इतनी मूवीज़ हैं, किड्स
Yeah, I'm
मूवीज़।
still trying to process, but
कौन सी मूवीज़ हैं? जूटोपिया आपने बहुत देखी है, और कितनी
also
मूवीज़।
there was a
There was this one more movie which I really liked. It was on Netflix, The Machine something.
Mitchell's for
Oh, you guys should watch that movie.
It's probably the best film in 2020.
That's really good.
No
It's about a family, you know.
No wonder why it won an award for the best
Yeah, I
film.
don't know.
We also yeah.
But what was the story about the
It's
Mitchells?
basically like it's like this family, the Mitchells. So like there's this one company. So one accident actually turned deadly, in which like there's like so much of these AI robots.
Yeah.
And now the Mitchells are the ones to stop it. So
It was good. It was good.
there's this one moment from the film that I still remember. Dog picked a dog pick, dog pick, system error. Loaf of bread, system error.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, it's like so like there's this one moment in the film, like it's like the robot it scans the dog, right?
Right.
But it cannot process it correctly.
Right.
It's like dog, pig, dog, pig, and then it thinks of it as loaf of bread. Loaf
Right.
of bread. System error.
Yeah, I also like that movie very much. We just, you know, we were just browsing, and all of a sudden I said, "Which movie is this one? Let's play." And then it was really
Plus,
good.
it was a popular film at the
And then just now I clicked on मुझे हुआ कि Incredibles, The Incredibles. Incredibles तो बहुत ही अच्छी movie है. And my favorite character is that baby,
Jack.
Jack. Yeah,
Reminds me of my baby brother.
yeah. That movie is
Jack
really
Jack
good.
is probably the cutest and funniest character.
We like all the parts. We like all the
the
parts.
first and second are probably the best ones.
Yeah.
I think
The whole family unit is very amazing, and you know they have
Mr.
like
Incredible,
yeah,
Elastigirl,
they're all
Violet,
very good.
Dash, Jack, Frozone.
Yeah.
Yeah, all those characters.
Yeah. So definitely, you know, Sonic 4 हम लोग देखेंगे तो आपको ज़रूर बताएंगे.
Sonic 3.
Sonic 3 वही.
Sonic
वो-
4 could be in development too.
Sonic 4 पहले 3 तो आ जाए. और I don't know और कौन सी movies के
Sonic
parts
4
आ
is
रहे हैं.
confirmed,
I think more movies are coming with part 2. I think Minions is coming with another one. Then I heard Frozen is coming too.
I also heard Sonic 4 is gonna get is confirmed.
Sonic के तो छोड़ो ना आप, उसके बात कर रहे हैं. Minions आ रही
And
है.
I think-
Toy Story is coming. Toy Story आ रही है. And then what
Toy
else?
Story 5, yeah.
Incredibles भी I think आएगी definitely.
I don't think so.
और कौन सी आ रही है? और कोई ऐसी you want
Mario Bros 2 is coming.
वो
They're
भी
coming
आ
out
रही है.
with another one.
Yeah, वो भी आ रही है.
I think it's either a spin-off or another film. So,
Yeah, yeah. But this was it about the movies and recommended movies by me
they're
and
also-
Ziyad.
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
Never mind.
What?
Okay.
Bolo?
Also, they're like coming out with a Michael Jackson biopic.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
But unfortunately, it got delayed, and then now they have to reshoot it.
Oh, okay.
Recently, they just said now they have to reshoot it. So
Oh, okay.
after something that happened, so I don't really want to talk about what happened though. So,
Okay.
but
So,
anywho, that's all.
this was it, and inshallah next episode में we're gonna talk about dramas and then more movies. हॉलीवुड हो सकती है, बॉलीवुड हो सकती है, लॉलीवुड भी हो सकती है, जो हमने देखा है और विच वी पर्सनली लाइक एंड वी वुड लाइक टू रिकमेंड दोज मूवीज. बट किसी को पसंद है, किसी को नहीं पसंद है, अपनी अपनी इट्स योर पर्सनल चॉइस, वट एवर यू लाइक. But this was it about today's episode, and like we promised, हमने आपको 2 episodes दे दी, और अब आप भी अच्छे बच्चों की तरह और अच्छे बुजुर्गों बड़ों की तरह काइंडली उस लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब बटन को दबा दें. बोल बोल के मुंह सूख गया मेरा, लेकिन आप लोग का कुछ नहीं सूखा. आप लोग जो है ये कर देंगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा, और हमें ही थोड़ा बूस्टअप मिलेगा और हमारे ही सब्सक्राइबर बढ़ेंगे. अभी तक 50 सब्सक्राइबर हैं. वी नीड मोर सब्सक्राइबर गाइज, वी नीड मोर सब्सक्राइबर. सो काइंडली आप हम या इंशाल्लाह. और जैसे जैसे आप हमें जितना इंकरेज करेंगे, हम उतना ही अच्छा कॉन्टेंट लेके आएंगे, और उतने ही अच्छे से हम बात करेंगे, क्योंकि एक टॉपिक पे बात करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. आई एम श्योर यू गाइज लाइक बोथ द एपिसोड्स. डू गिव अस द फीडबैक, डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू कमेंट, एंड बताइएगा आपको कैसा लगा. इस एपिसोड में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कोशिश की गई है कि ज़ियाद बोलें, और ज़ियाद ने अपनी पिक्चर्स भी शो की, ज़ियाद ने अपने डांस मूव्स भी शो किए, हमने अपना जिंगल शेयर किया. वी गिव द शाउट आउट टू मुस्तफीज़ राजा, एंड उनका भी चैनल है. डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर, सब्सक्राइब. You can watch his channel. He lives in Dallas, and he has shared his own experience, his life experience in that channel. I think so. You can do that. और साथ में आप हमारा भी देख सकते हैं. तो यहीं पे हम लोग अपनी एपिसोड ख़त्म करते हैं, समाप्त करते हैं, और मिलते हैं आपको इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट एपिसोड के साथ. मोर इंटरेस्टिंग, मोर मसालेदार ड्रामा में थोड़ा और मज़ा आएगा, क्योंकि हम लोग उसमें डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स के बारे में बात करेंगे, थोड़ा डीप जाएंगे, और ड्रामे वो वाले हम बात करेंगे जिसमें ज़ियाद ने भी देखा हुआ, ताकि ज़ियाद भी थोड़ा अपना इनपुट देते हैं, वरना ज़ियाद तो बैठे ही रहेंगे. तो वी विल ब्रिंग दोज ड्रामास, क्योंकि ज़ियाद ने भी थोड़े से ड्रामेस देखे हैं इंडस्ट्री के. एंड सो वी विल सी यू गाइज नेक्स्ट वीक. सेम चैनल यूट्यूब, सेम होस्ट हबीबा,
Co-host Ziad.
और इसी के साथ हम लोग को दुआ में याद रखिएगा. हम आपकी फैमिली को दुआ में याद रखें, हमें दुआ में याद रखिएगा. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीक. टेक केयर. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. अल्लाह हाफिज़. पाकिस्तान
Zindabad.
पाकिस्तान
Zindabad.
पाकिस्तान. ओके, थैंक यू. बाय बाय.
Bye. Yippee yappee.
Speak Mix with Habiba and Zad.